time to do some NTLM relaying. So I like to set the attack up in reverse order. So the first thing I'm going to do is run NTLM relay X through proxy chains. So let's run that, and then actually head over to my beacon here and start that SOCKS proxy. Now we'll also want to set up the reverse port forward. So this will bind to 8445 and forward to our local host. That's the team server's local host on 445, and that's where NTLM relay X is listening. Now in the system beacon, I'm in system 32, so let's go into drivers and first upload the WinDivert driver. That's in port vendor and WinDivert 64. I've already got the port vendor aggressor script loaded, so I can do port vendor redirect port 445 to 8445. So that's the entire attack set up now. So port vendor will capture traffic inbound on port 445, redirect it to 8445 on the same machine where the reverse port forward is listening. The reverse port forward will then send that traffic down to NTLM relay X, and then NTLM relay X will respond back up through the SOCKS proxy. And to trigger an NTLM authentication attempt, let's use the Windows shortcut method. So I'm going to create the shortcut on my local desktop, and I'm going to set the icon location to the UNC path. So this IP address is the IP address of the machine that the beacon is running on. So let's save that. And then back over here, let's CD to the software share, which is on DC2. You can, of course, use PowerShell just to create it directly from the beacon. In this case, I'm just going to upload it from my disk. Okay, then let's get NTLM relay X up, and I'm going to jump across to workstation 2, and you can see I'm listing the shares on DC2. We go into the software share, we can see the pwn shortcut. Don't need to click it or anything like that. If we go back to our attacking box, we can see that the relay has already started. And by default, it will dump the SAM hashes on this target machine. And there we go. And let's for fun, let's just take this hash and use it in beacon. So let's do help pass the hash. So this is pass the hash, and it's a local admin account. So we do /administrator, and then paste the hash, and then we should be able to list the $C share on that target, and there we go.